Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Are you all ready for the today's session?
Yes.
Okay. Can we start it with the prayer?
Yes.
Join your hands, please. Close your eyes, please. Drisha? Yes. Everybody? Christabel? Advika? Sam? Join your hands. Yes. Our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us, give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Bless the people who are suffering from coronavirus and all the people who are in the mission of treating them. Dear Father, bless and heal the world. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Open your eyes, everybody. Wow. What are you all wearing? Trisha, what is behind you? What is that behind you? A blue background, I see. Huh?
Blue.
Blue color
Blue.
house? Yes. Everybody, what are you wearing? What is Nancy ma'am wearing? It is matching to us. Yes. We are all matching. Yes. What is that color ma'am is wearing and you are wearing? What is that? Blue. Yes. We are all wearing blue. Yes. Blue. So what are we learning today? Blue color. What is the color we are going to learn? It's blue. It is blue. Okay. Can I see Vedika's dress? Very nice dress, Vedika. Ah, nice. Advika, can I see your dress? Drisha, Jewel, Ivania, can I see your dress? Advika, Gayatri. Ma'am, don't have girls, but I have so many girls in my class. Can I see your dress? Wow, very beautiful blue color dress. You're all wearing, looking very pretty. Yes. Eric, you have a blue. Yes, I'm seeing. Who is that? Give me your name. Tell me, Eric, I saw your t-shirt. New t-shirt? Yes, very nice. Poor mother, don't buy anything new for your children. I'm just telling you to wear whatever is found as whatever you have it in your house. Okay, please do not buy anything new. I don't demand that. Okay, if you don't have any dress, please carry your object or mummy sari. You can wrap it like that on the shoulder, like a shawl. Okay, you can show that. Okay, so children, can we sing the song with blue for him? I saw. Everybody keep it muted. After singing the song, we will show and speak about the object which we are having. Okay, keep it muted, everybody, right now. Now, let's sing it. Ask your friends. Oh, very bad, very bad, very bad, very bad. I told you to mute, it means to be muted. When I ask you to speak, it has to be unmuted and give an answer. Okay? Otherwise, the class is going to have a delay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Let's sing it. Are you ready? Let's sing it. What are you wearing? Ask your friends. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing today? Ask your friends. What are you wearing? Ask Nancy ma'am. What are you wearing? What are you wearing today? If you're wearing blue, hands up, hands up. If you're wearing blue, turn around, turn around. If you're wearing blue, roll your hands, roll your hands. If you're wearing blue, clap your hands. What are you wearing? Ask, what are you wearing? What are you wearing today? I don't see you opening the mouth. I won't come with a song next time. Open your mouth and sing. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing today? If you're wearing blue, jump up high, jump up high. If you're wearing blue, do a dance, do a dance. If you're wearing blue, wave your hands, wave your hands. If you're wearing blue, turn around. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing today? Now, all the boys, stand up and unmute your mics. All the boys stand up. Girls sit down. Boys stand up. Boys matram unmute cheyyey. Okay? And don't scream. Now ask the girls. We are going to ask the girls. Okay? What are they wearing? Open your mouth and sing along with ma'am. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. What are you wearing? Ask. What are you wearing? What are you wearing today? You're wearing blue, hands up. Hands up. If you're wearing blue, turn around. Turn around. If you're wearing blue, do a dance. Do a dance. If you're wearing blue, give a kiss. Give a flying kiss. Yes. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing today? Okay, thank you. Sit down. Boys, sit down. Mute your mics. Mute. Fahim, mute your mic. Fahim, mute your mic. Now, girls, unmute it. All the girls unmute it. Let's sing. Let's ask the boys. Okay? Ask the boys. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing today? You're wearing blue, hands up, hands up. If you're wearing blue, clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're wearing blue, turn around, turn around. If you're wearing blue, jump up high. Girls are not singing. No girls are singing. Sing along with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing today? Wearing blue, clap your hands. Hands. If you're wearing blue, roll your hands, roll your hands. If you're wearing blue, do a dance, do a dance. If you're wearing blue, snap your fingers. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing today? Okay, sit down everybody. Keep your mics muted. Now let's share the objects which we have in blue color. I will call one by one. You will speak. After that, keep your mic muted. When I ask you to speak, give the answer very fast. Okay? Yes. First, Drisha. Show me what is the object you have in blue. Speak about it. What is that?
This is a hanger.
Oh, you have a hanger? Okay. What is behind you?
Behind me is a tent.
You have a house? Yes, tent. That's your playhouse. Very lovely to see. Keep your mic muted. Juwana, speak. What are you having in blue? I want fast reply. Parents, help them to unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it, Juwana?
This is a bottle.
You have a bottle? Thank you. Aiden, Jinal, speak. Next, Dhyan Madhav, be ready. Dhyan, speak. What are you showing me? Louder. I can't hear you. Blue comb. What is it? Blue comb. Say that. Aha, you're imitating me. Next time I will speak like this. You will also. Louder. Sri Shyam, speak. What is that? Sri Shyam.
Blue file.
Blue file. For him, what is it? For him. Unmute and speak. Parents, if your child has to be focused, you have to unmute and speak. Unmute your button, press you. Yes.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Okay. Ivania Rose. Vedika.
Yes.
What is it?
Elephant.
Blue elephant. Excellent. Ivania Rose, speak fast.
Blue elephant.
Blue sticker. Okay. Sam. Sam, speak. Only Sam, speak. Ivania, mute it. Vedika, mute it. Sam, speak. Anvin, speak. Okay. Anvin, speak. Mone Anvin Suraj, speak.
Blue bottle.
Ah,
Blue torch.
blue torch. Excellent. Very nice. Alrich, please share what you have. Alrich, speak, unmute and speak. Parents, do not take time because we are losing time. Please keep it ready. Yes, Alrich, what is it? One object, please. Alrich, what is that? Blue bulb. Okay. Rifa. Unmute. Sam, unmute. Blue bag. Okay. Vaiga. Vaiga. Vaiga, unmute and speak. Molet, Vaiga, speak.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Ma'am. Please. Ma'am.
Okay. Advika, speak. Parents, do not intervene in between others. Please wait for your turn. I'm calling in order which I see. After you answer, please mute it. Advika, what you are showing?
You can and
Okay, Advika. Vaiga, mute it. Jewel, speak.
blue bird.
Okay, Johei, speak. Unmute. Louder.
Blue pussy.
Okay, Adya. Oh, you have a blue piggy bank?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Christabel. Louder. I cannot. Hairband. Gayatri. Bag. Okay.
Book.
Okay. Gayatri, speak.
Box.
Comb and a purse. Okay. Christabel. Thank you. Gayatri, thank you. Kashinath. Unmute. Mone, unmute, Kashinath. Nesta, speak.
Teddy bear.
Wow, a big teddy bear, bigger than you. Okay. Now, who is the next child I see here? Advaid, show me. What is it, Advaid?
Blue yoga mat.
Blue flask. Yes, blue notebook. Patrick. Blue book. Okay. There are 3 children I'm seeing here. Aida, Eman, Alankrita and Jennifer. Their video is not turned on. I don't know. Maybe the camera is not working. So if you are okay with it, you want to speak, please unmute and give the answer. Aida, Eman, what do you have something in your hand?
Ma'am. Notebook. This is notebook.
Notebook. Alankrita, speak. What do you have? Mole Alankrita, are you hearing me? I cannot see your video. Mole കാണുന്നില്ല. Your video is not turned on. Speak. What is it, Alankrita?
Bottle.
Bottle. Jennifer, speak. Jennifer, speak. Okay, thank you. So children, you have shared your objects with me. Keep your mics muted. Now let's move on to the spelling of blue. Okay? Sharing my screen. Everybody watch. Let's learn the spelling of the color blue. Okay? See here. B L U E blue. Okay, what is it? What's the spelling of blue? B L U E blue. Blue is also a primary color. Okay, this color is used for mixing any other color. If you add some other color to this and mix it, you will get a third color. You will get a different color. Okay, it's a primary color. Okay, now I will draw a object which is in blue color. Okay, what have you seen on the sky? What do you see? You see clouds in sky? Okay, let's draw a cloud. Okay, so you have to draw a sleeping line and you draw 3. You know to write 3, you do that. So it becomes a cloud. Okay, what is this? Clouds. Okay, in the sky is blue sometimes. And what is this, children? Draw a circle, draw a triangle and draw a tail. What is this? Balloon. I can draw a blue balloon and color it. What color? Blue. Okay. Now, keep your mics muted. I don't know who unmuted it.
Blue tree.
Okay. Now, okay. Next, let's draw a car. Okay, see a sleeping line, slant lines, two bigger sleeping lines, two standing lines, and a big sleeping line. Then I draw two squares and I draw two wheels with circle. What is this? Blue car. So what are the objects we see? A blue car, a blue balloon, and a blue cloud. Okay. I think my board disappeared. Let's draw one more time. Are you ready? Just watch it, how to draw. And after my class, you can draw this in the activity book. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Please wait. Can you all see the screen which I'm sharing? Okay. So children, see, you can draw a circle. Okay, what will you do in the activity book? Draw a circle and draw a small triangle. What is it? A triangle. Okay, so it becomes a balloon. Then you can draw the tail for it. Okay, this is a balloon and you can color this blue. Okay, what's the spelling of blue, children? B L U E, blue. Okay, then let's draw a cloud. Very easy. Draw a sleeping line. Okay, and let it write 3. You know to write 3? Just join it. Okay, this is cloud. Okay, then let's draw a car. Can we draw a car? How do we draw? See here. Draw a sleeping line. You all want to draw a car? See. Draw a sleeping line. Okay, draw 2 slant lines. Okay, then draw 2 sleeping lines again. Then draw 2 standing line. Again, sleeping line. Okay, and then draw 2 squares. Okay, you will draw 2 squares and then draw 2 circles. So this is the car. Okay, so what's the spelling of the blue? B L U E, blue. What is it? B L U E, blue. Can you all repeat the spelling? Everybody repeat. B L U E, blue. Ivania, why are you not opening the mouth? Many of you are not opening the mouth. Repeat the spelling after me. Blue. B L U E, blue. Okay, Patrick. Patrick, did you show me a blue color object? I did not see you. Sorry if I missed. Really sorry, parents, if I'm missing you, because the children whom I'm seeing on the screen, I'm seeing them. Sorry, Patrick, please unmute and give the answer. Unmute, Mone. Sorry, I didn't give you a chance for you. Sorry. Speak. What is that?
This is my book.
Okay, thank you. Sorry for leaving you. Is there anybody whom I left? Kasinath, did you speak? Kasi, do you have something in blue? You also have a blue book. Okay, thank you. Did I miss out anybody? Parents, please raise your hand. Rituparna, sorry. Please speak. I'm really sorry. Unmute and speak. Unmute. Mone, unmute. Yes, speak.
Thomas.
You have a toy truck. Okay, thank you.
Yes, Thomas.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, keep it muted, everybody. Thank you. Okay, so children, today in your activity book, you will draw this car, you will draw this cloud, you will draw this balloon, and then color it in blue. Okay, and on the other side, we will do a handprint. Okay, now everybody take your workbook. Please take your workbook, page number 46. Parents, help your child take workbook, page number 46. Ready? So today, children, Nancy ma'am is going to teach you the number names from 60 to 90. Okay, we are going to learn the number name from 60 to 90. Okay, and 100 we will learn it in the next class. Are you ready? Okay, look at the screen now. See here, don't write anything, please look at the board. 60, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, in the last class, last week we were learning 10 to 50. Now today we are going to learn from 60 to 90. Okay, first one. Fahim, unmute and give me the spelling of 6. Fahim, unmute and give me the spelling of 6. 6 in the spelling para.
S-I-X.
Excellent. S-I-X-6. So children, all you have to do is add ty to it. 6 in the spelling edita, write only ty. So it becomes 60. Okay, very easy. Can we all say it? S-I-X-T-Y. 60. For him, keep it muted. Next, Aiden Jinnal. Give me the spelling of 7. 7 in the spelling, Barne Aiden. Unmute and give the answer.
S-E-V-N.
Slowly, please. Yes.
S-E.
Yes.
E-N.
V-E.
T-Y.
Yes. E-V-E-N. Then?
T-Y.
Yes, we will add T and Y to it. So it becomes 70. So all my children know the spelling of 6 and 7. Yes, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7. Okay, only add T-Y to it. So it becomes 60, 70. Okay, very good. Thank you for him and Aiden. Now Drisha, give me the spelling of 8. Give me the spelling of 8.
E-I-G-H. E-I-G-H-T.
Excellent. Give me the spelling of Y. How do you add Y to it? And how do you read it? After T, what should I add to make it 80? Y. Yeah, I should add only Y. And how do I read it, Drisha?
E-I-G-H-T-Y.
Excellent. E-I-G-H-T-Y 80. Okay. Now, I want Patrick to give me the answer for 9. Patrick, are you there? I don't see your video. Okay, Rituparna, give me the spelling of 9. 9 spelling. Excellent. You have already learnt it. So N-I-N-E 9 and add T-Y to it to make it 90. Okay. So children, can we write it in our workbook? Each number name. Okay. So let's say and write. Ready? So what's the spelling of 60? Let's learn 60 now. Yes. I-X-T-Y 60. What's the spelling? Okay, you need not write now. Parents, let them not write now. Let them learn it now. After my class, you can make them write. Pencil down. Eric, keep your mic muted, please. Let's read it now. Everybody, read it with Nancy, ma'am. S-I-X-T-Y 60. Repeat it. S-I-X-T-Y 60. Okay. Now, let's read 70. How do we write the 70 spelling? Say the spelling of 7, everybody. You have already learnt it. Yes. E-V-E-N 7. Now add T-Y to it. 70. Okay. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. Very easy. Now let's move to 80. Okay. How do we write the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T. Already T is there in 8 spelling. So only add Y to it. Okay, only add Y to it. So it makes it 80. Okay, now let's move to 90. What's the spelling of 9? N-I-N-E 9. Okay, only add T-Y to it. So it becomes 90. Okay, children, understood how to do it? Yes. Now, all my children, take your workbook, put your fingers on that, and let's read the number names. Now we are reading, not writing. After my class, you can write. Put your finger and read. SIX. Parents pointed to your child where the 60 is. SIX TY 60. Speak. SIX TY 60. Now, turn the page, please. Put your finger and read. What's the spelling of 70? SEVENTY 70. For him, I'm seeing you playing with the camera. I know you are playing. You're pinning yourself and looking at you. For him, keep the phone there. Sit straight. Move back and sit. Move back and sit. Don't touch the screen. Take your book and put your finger and read. Playing with the screen? I'm coming home. Put your finger and read. SEVENTY 70. Read, everybody. SEVENTY 70. Aiden, read. EIGHT. Put your finger and read. EIGHTY 80. Let's move to 90. NINETY 90. NINETY 90. Okay. So today you will write only these 4 spellings in the workbook and also in the notebook. From 60 to 90 you will write. Okay. Now, everybody take your English notebook, please. Please take your English 4-line notebook. Parents, please help your child take the English notebook. We are writing the add words. Okay, sharing my screen. Please watch. So children, please write the date on top. 8/12. Please write your date. 8th December. Finished? Sam, are you writing? Now write AD add. Do you see a 4-line there? A red line going on? So after that, you need to write AD add. Finished? I want everybody to write fast. I'm going to first standard. Are you coming with me? I'm going to go to first standard next year. Are you coming? Then write fast. BAD bad. BAD bad. Let me see who is writing fast. Next one. Let's write DAD dad. Say and write DAD dad. Open your mouth and say and write, or else I'm coming home with a Fevicol bottle. BAD bad, DAD dad. Finished? Let's write HAD had. Ivania, write fast. What are you talking there? Write fast. The next one, let's write LAD lad. After writing this, I'm going to first standard. Are you coming? Write fast. LAD lad. Write neatly. Say and write. Alankrita, are you writing? Okay. Next one. MAD mad. Arya Dev, write. MAD mad. Next one. Yes. AD sad. Yes. AD D, sad. Next, let's write P, A, D, pad. P-A-D, pad. Next, let's write R-O-A-D, road. R-O-A-D, road. It's 11:05. We have another 5 minutes. Finished? R-O-A-D, road. Okay, the next page. Okay, the next page, please write the sentence. Okay, how do we write the sentence? See, write A, sad, S-A-D, sad. Yes, A-D, sad. You may write lad, L-A-D, lad. Please write on, O-N, on. A sad lad on, T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. Then you write road, R-O-A-D, road. Some of you won't have place. Write in the next line if you don't have place. Or you can write, continue writing. A sad lad on the road. Idea. Right, everybody? Finished? Okay. So if you have not completed, please open the workbook, parents, and show them the sentences. Okay, let them copy. Now, children, are you ready for the handprint? Your pencil down, your notebooks down, close it, keep it away. Take your activity book, your blue paint, your hands ready for the print. Show me your little hands. Show me your little hands. Yes, Adia, you have a little hand. Oh, Ritu, everybody is having a small hand. Johays. Yes, very nice, beautiful hand. I'm seeing it. Okay, is the plate ready? Aiden, Dhyan Madhav. Okay, put it, a nice blue shirt, Dhyan Madhav. Beautiful shirt. I liked it. Your shirt is very nice, I'm telling you. Did you hear? Yes. Okay, now take your hand, put it in the blue paint. Can I? I'm going to dip it in my hand in the paint. Press the whole hand, okay? The full palm. Sham, ready, man? Okay, want to see the magic? Okay, I'm going to put it on my book. Okay. Can I remove my hand? The magic? Shall we see the magic? Yeah? Wow, I got my hand there. Have you got your hand there? Dip it. And after my class, you will draw these things there. Okay, you have to draw this. A blue car, a blue balloon, and blue clouds. Okay, Drisha? Where is your blue house? Disappeared? Okay. So can I see your blue hand, everyone? Lovely. It's 11:09, 11:10. I'm going to end this session. Please show me fast. Wow, very nice. Vedika, Rifa, Alrich, Ritu, Adwaid, Adya, Nesta. Beautiful hand. Put it on the book, Nesta. Yes, Adwaid, Sam, Gayatri, Rifa, Joel. Wow, excellent. Okay, children. Thanks for doing this activity with me. See you all in the next session. Bye-bye. Go wash your hands, okay? Don't put it anywhere on the wall. Mommy will have a trouble time. Mommy will come with a stick to my house. Don't touch anywhere. Go to the wash basin, wash your hands. Okay? Okay for him. Bye bye. See you.